Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of TechTube. In this video, let's take a look at how to log into your Compass Payroll account. If you also use the services of Compass Payroll, then in this video, let me show you how you can easily log into it. Now before we move on, subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you are notified for more future videos. First of all, let's head over to the website of Compass Payroll. Open up your web browsers and search for compasspayroll.com. Once you hit enter, you'll land on the website of Compass Payroll. Now from this home page, you just need to scroll down, and to log into your account, you can see a section called employer/employee login. So this is the login section for both employers as well as employees. So whether you are an employee or an employer, you can click on enter secure site. This way it's gonna direct you to a new section from where you need to type in your login details. So first of all, type in your login, which is your user ID that you created while signing up for Compass Payroll. In the second box, type in the password. If you don't remember your password to your account, you can click on the forgot password link. And through this section, you can reset your password using your email. Type in your login again, type in your email and click on OK. And you'll receive a password reset link on your email address. Now if you type in both your information correctly, you can now click on I'm not a robot, complete this verification, and then click on login. And you'll be immediately logged in to the services of Compass Payroll account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.